Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Keeping Up with BB. I hope you all have been doing well. And today I am back with a fashion video. I am going to make it a point to produce more fashion content this year. I know things are not back to normal and we're at a new normal, but I do feel like fashion is a big part of people's lives because what you wear can really determine how you may feel for that any given day. Just how you perceive yourself, how others may perceive you, and just I think people forget how big of an impact fashion can make and does make on the world. There are a lot of different meanings and things behind fashion, but one of the biggest ones that I can think of is politics. And people wear a certain outfit and you know who they are or what organization they may be representing, whether it be an organization, political party, or whatever. My number one example is the Black Panthers. When you saw what that person may have been wearing, you knew that was a Black Panther, you know, with the black berets and the leather jackets and the black pants, the black jeans, the boots. Like, you knew who they were. And that's what I love about fashion is you can really make a statement with who you are, what you want to be, how you want to be perceived. And yeah, I mean, fashion is a big part of everybody's lives, I feel like, whether they know it or not. And I really love it. So let's go ahead and get started into today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you some recent purchases that I have made. They're more luxury purchases. And I don't just buy things to buy things. I'm a very conscious consumer. So when I'm looking to shop, I always look at an item and I think about how many times I can wear it. So cost per wear. Also look at how long is this gonna last me. And I also look at what impact is this going to make in my wardrobe. Is it something that I really need, or is it something that I just want? Is it something that I feel like will be a staple piece in my wardrobe for years to come? So with that being said, let's go ahead and hop into the pieces that I've just picked up. So the first new item that I'm going to be sharing with y'all today are a new pair of sunglasses. I had a pair of Ray-Ban sunglasses that I only had for a few months before I lost them. I think they're in one of my parents' cars, but I haven't come across them yet, but that's the last place I remember seeing them. But until I can find those, I had to replace them because I need to protect my eyes. It's very important to protect your eyes as much as you can from the sun's UV rays. They are very strong and can be harmful to the human eye. And I also wear glasses, so my eyes aren't like 100% the best eyes out there, so I want to protect them as much as I can and just, you know, protect my vision for as long as I can. So the pair of sunglasses that I got are actually from Christian Dior. Believe it or not, I am pretty minimal when it comes to sunglasses. This is my only pair of sunglasses. I only had one pair, which were the Ray-Bans that I lost. And this is the box that they come in, which is a really cute gray box that just says Dior right there. I just love the packaging of Dior, and especially when I buy more luxury products, the packaging is really a plus and can really make a big difference in the consumer experience. So this is the box that it comes in, and when you open the box, this is what you see. And the sunglasses come in a little bag, and the bag is really cute too. It's a really nice storage case for like when you're traveling or just having the glasses in your purse. This is what the glasses look like. They are black and they are plastic. I just think they're really cute because I like more squarish sunglasses, kind of like the Wayfarer from Ray-Bans. I like that style of sunglasses, and this reminds me of it, but it's a little bit bigger and they feel really nice. The kind of plastic that these are made out of is this right here. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of it, but basically what you can do is you can warm these up somehow. I need to look at the directions. You can warm these up somehow and adjust the, what are these called on the sides of glasses? I don't know. You can adjust these so that you can get the perfect fit. But this is what they look like. I think they're super, super cute, and I love the CD right there. I'm really excited about these glasses. Like I said, I needed a pair of sunglasses, and I think these fit the bill. And the best part is I got these on sale for $99 at Nordstrom Rack. I have their app, which is the Hot Look app. Hot Look is another one of Nordstrom's entities, I guess you'd say, that they own. You can shop on, and it's really similar to Nordstrom Rack. I'm pretty sure they have all the same things that Nordstrom Rack has, but sometimes they have random sales that Nordstrom Rack may not be having, is what I'm understanding. And I got these for $99, which was really good. So I was really happy to snag these up, and those are my new Christian Dior glasses. The next luxury item that I just recently purchased is from Gucci, and it is jewelry. So, little backstory on designer jewelry, fashion jewelry specifically. So I went to the Dior store in San Francisco back in November, and I tried on a bunch of different earrings because I've been wanting a pair of Dior earrings, like the tribal ones with my initial or a star or something like that. But I really like all their earrings. They're all really super cute. But I have really sensitive skin on my ears, and for some reason I can only wear gold, silver, or gold plated jewelry. I cannot wear gold tone jewelry, especially, I don't know if it's brass or nickel or what the metal is that I'm highly allergic to. But when I tried on the Dior earrings in the Dior store, I tried on like maybe 3 or 4 different pairs. My ear lobes were already turning red, and they were already getting irritated from just trying on the earrings. And I was like, oh no. And the sales associate, he was like, these are final sale. If your skin is already getting irritated from just trying them on, he was like, I really don't recommend you buying them because you can't return them. So that was really nice of him to say that. You know, basically he had to turn down a sale because he knew that if it was going to irritate my ears, I wouldn't be able to return them, and he didn't want me to be an upset customer, which is really good customer service. That being said, I was on the Gucci website randomly around Christmas time because I was just looking for something to treat myself for Christmas. I really wanted some jewelry for Christmas, and I feel like jewelry is one of those items that when you want to treat yourself and you want to remember something, you know, like a milestone or something like that, maybe jewelry is always one that comes to mind for me, more so than like clothes and shoes, maybe jewelry or a bag. But this time I decided to get some earrings, and it comes in this cute little dust bag. They are these cute little GG earrings, and they are 100% sterling silver, so they don't break me out. And honestly, I was kind of on the fence about getting these, but they're so cute. Like they're the bamboo that Gucci is known for, like the bamboo design that Gucci is known for, that they used to use for a lot of the handles on their bags from back in the day, like their vintage bags. But if y'all know me and watch my videos, y'all know I'm a gold girl. Like I'm a gold jewelry girl. But early on in college, I went through a silver stage, and I wore so much silver jewelry. I bought like a bunch of silver rings because sterling silver is significantly less expensive than gold. And I have a really neutral skin tone, so I feel like gold and silver both look good on me. And I was like, you know what, like let me try some silver again. And I thought these were fairly priced. They are designer, but they are sterling silver, and these were $250. So I didn't think that was terrible. Again, they're silver earrings, and most silver earrings don't cost that much, but they are from Gucci, and I think they're really cute. So I decided to get these. I will pop in some mod shots of me trying them on so you can see what they look like on me. So yeah. The very last item that I purchased recently that I have really been wanting, that is again from a luxury brand, are the Burberry T-bar shoes in the patent leather. I have been wanting these shoes for years, you guys. I think I've been wanting these shoes for like 3 years. There are a few different variations of the shoe, and I really like the thick sole, but I feel like the flat sole is going to stand the test of time and will be a more classic piece that I feel like I can wear 5 years from now, 10 years from now, and wouldn't have just been a trendy style for its time like the lug sole. I really do love the lug sole. I have a pair of boots and a few different shoes that do have a thicker sole to them, and I really do love that look. But for something so expensive, I really wanted to go with the most classic version as possible, so I ended up going with these, and I really love them. They look good with jeans, they look good with slacks. I got these shoes off of My Teresa when they went on sale at the end of the season sale earlier in January. These shoes are normally $630 USD, which is Very, very expensive for a pair of shoes, but they went on sale and I got them for $438. But I think they've gone on sale again and they're about $80 to $90 cheaper now. I'm kind of upset about that, and I think I'm gonna email My Teresa and ask them if they do, like store credit or some type of refund to give me that money back, because I think it's actually $88. And y'all tell me if I'm doing too much. Like, am I doing too much to email them and ask them if they could give me store credit for that or refund me $88, because the shoes were reduced even more only a week after I received mine in the mail. So anyways, that doesn't take away how much I love these shoes and how much I wanted these shoes. It was just something that I wanted to mention, and something that's kind of nerve-wracking about shopping, especially shopping luxury items that do go on sale, because they're so expensive. So any sale really does make a difference. So those are the 3 items that I recently purchased that I feel like will really make a statement in my wardrobe and will be things that I will wear for years and years to come. I'm super excited to style them up and continue wearing them. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and let me know what you thought about this video. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I do want to do more fashion content this year, and if you're here for the fashion content, please let me know down below. I know I do have a lot of followers here for beauty, but this is something that I like to do as well. I hope you're all doing well, and I'll catch you guys next time. This is Keeping Up with BB.